Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a gorgeous car. It's a two-owner 1972 Duster. Fresh paint, fresh motor, completely rebuilt transmission. It's finished in billet silver. It's a 2016 Dodge color, just like my car over there. It's got a lot of metallic in it. Super straight, beautiful body. Paint doesn't have any more than 20 miles on it. It's got a 440 in it with a mild street cam. It's completely rebuilt. It's got about 10 miles on it. MSD ignition. It's got an aluminum radiator, flex fan, complete front runner setup, Holley 850 double pumper carburetor, Schumacher long tube headers. Got ET streets in the back, American racing wheels. Those are all brand new as well. It's got a Ford 9-inch rear, 389 gears. You can see it's got the extended studs back there as well. Moser axles with 31 spline. Also a Caltracs setup. See that under there as well. Everything on this car is new. Disc brakes up front, all brand new. Drums in the back, those are all brand new as well. Skinnies up front are also new. The transmission is a 727. It's also completely rebuilt with about 10 miles on it. 3,000 stall. Power brakes, power steering. Fire it up for you. Seat belts all the way around. It's got a B&M shifter. Odometer RPM gauge, 36,297 miles. Brand new carpet. Seats are in great shape. Nice headliner. By 9s in the back. Everything under here is brand new. It's their front runner setup, complete serpentine system. Nice big Champion aluminum radiator, brand new battery. Got a fender tag on it. Brand new brake booster. The headers are right from Mopar, pretty special. Blaster coil. MSD distributor, MSD coils, digital 6AL. It's a 850 double pumper. Car is very fast. radials keep it planted on the ground. Very nice fitment of all the panels. Paint is gorgeous. It's got a little bit of metallic in it. Looks real sinister against the black wheels. Pretty car. Well, thanks for joining us today, guys. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website, webeautos.com. Thanks a lot.